How do you set up your LinkedIn profile so that when someone goes to your profile, they are not getting distracted by your competition? Let me show you how. My name is Louise Brogan. I'm the host of LinkedIn with Louise, and I invite you to subscribe to this channel so you can keep up with all the tips and advice I'll be sharing about using LinkedIn. So when we go to my profile on LinkedIn, this is my profile here, you will see down the right-hand side, it says people also viewed. So if we scroll down here, we can see other people who are coaches and consultants and other people who are doing LinkedIn marketing. So there's my good friend, Mildred, at the bottom. Mildred is excellent if you want to follow somebody who talks about visibility for female leaders. Absolutely connect with Mildred. And it's also showing my my coach, Natalie Ekdahl, is showing up here as well. But what if I don't want other people to get distracted by who is on the right-hand side column of my LinkedIn profile? Well, let's change that setting. So what we're doing today is we're changing this people also viewed setting. So I'm going to go to the Me drop-down menu, settings and privacy. I'm going to scroll down on the site preferences, and we'll go down to people also viewed. This is this section here. Choose if this feature appears on your profile, and click on it to open it up, and just simply click no, close, back to LinkedIn at the top here. So now we're going back to LinkedIn. Let's have a click on my profile name, although I'm really distracted by whatever Helen had in her post there. And now it says people you may know instead. So it's no longer showing my competition, if you like. It's showing people that you may know. And these are based on people who are connected to people inside your network. So that is where these people are coming from. It's I'm very intrigued to see who's showing up on my profile, but I'm no longer showing off other people who do LinkedIn marketing for my ideal clients. I hope you have found this useful, and if you want to ask me any more questions about how to use LinkedIn for business, please do put them below. I love answering your questions, and remember to hit subscribe on the channel.